Well, folks, we're back with a wonderful small table for fall. Figure we better squeeze one more in. You know what's coming. Not much time left. Thanks for coming by, guys. Hey, check it out. Let's see what we got for a fall table. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Now we have our tablecloth, 100% cotton in the damask style. Of course, this one is 90-inch diameter, so it's a little more formal and it's going to hang down lower for us. Wonderful Baroque style vase for fall. Look at these. Coppery glass colored chargers from Pier 1. Next we'll go with a gold center medallion just to keep everything right. And our dinner plate today is blue willow in the chinoiserie style. And these are by Churchill, made in England, and we're going to show everything I'm going to use for the table. Anyway, let's get that on. And our salad plate is special today. You might have seen this once. Beautiful gold fancy pheasants by Wedgwood. How cute can you get? In fact, the whole table today is about pheasants.
That time of year has come around again. Good on some, but hard on others. Be kind and take care of each other.
So we're going to key off pheasants. We're using our gold flatware, and here's our 60s pheasant glasses. Just superb. We only get to see them once a year, really, just for fall. And one of the cute friends said they had this set, so I know they'll like to see it too. Never get tired of them, and they're just so rare today. Let's see what we can do with an easy centerpiece today. I'm going to start out with this wonderful oak branch. That'll be our tallest thing. And an odd number of these fantastic linen colored sunflowers. I'm trying to think of how to describe them. They're so cute. This one's a little different. Wonderful color. Then 2 picks with acorns. It's gonna make this super fast. We got oak leaf, acorn. Break that up. And we'll break that up with these colors. Look at this. Nice. We'll want some hops, and we'll do a cliffhanger with that one. Just about enough. Let's turn that. That's not a ton. I think I need one more piece. We'll get just a little color in. Just a little. We'll go with this kind of barley look. Another sprig of hops. Couple of highlighter. That turned a bit, and oh, this is getting cute. Sometimes you'll lose them first ones down in, and you just gotta pull them back up, because I need those flavors and colors. And that pine cone is too good. Okay, slightly minimal. Oh, good heavens. Careful with that one. You know we don't use that often. But I did say slightly. So I'm liking this. Got a little touch. Let's give it a turn. Little touch of lavender as usual. And I just wanted to see that in there too, and that needs to be on the other side. Alrighty. Oats and hops and barley. Now, pine cone, acorns. Anybody think they would use this combination? If not, that's why we're here. Let's get those gorgeous chargers on. These are getting used once a year. But that's the fun. And we're happy to have them. We don't have enough for 12. They were thrifted. If I could find, I think I'm short 5. 5 more would give us the 12. Really pretty, unique. And I don't know how you're gonna beat the Blue Willow. World renowned. We're gonna get those facing the same way. And celery pieces. Got to get my pheasant in. We'll want him kind of at the head of the table, even though it's a round table. I want to get that cute pumpkin in. Now I want to show you how I light this deep votive. I'm going to take the candle, the tea light, in a separate dish and light it. Okay, you cannot put that in here and light it without burning all the hair off your hand and your arm. It might keep going. Yeah. So, unless you have a long reach, I find those, you know, heat rises, it's going straight up. They're not good either. But I want to show you how easy. Okay, just to help. You take your deep votive like this and set it in there sideways. See here? You're going to get 2 fingers on the base and just push it around as you come over to the middle, and it's no problem. Plenty of time to get it in there. Since it's all on the same side, how about we do the napkin is first on the left, and then the dinner fork, and then the salad fork. Your dinner knife is on the right and the edge faces the plate. The dinner spoon is next, and then the dessert spoon. Now we're going to have a beverage glass, and then we're going to have a cordial glass, and they all match. We're going to put that beverage glass at 12 o'clock. The cordial is just off at just about 1. Folks, I was thinking this table was really getting cute. We want our guests to see a nice, fine polish on those. Man, I don't know. What are you going to have with roast beef? How about, for fall, a wonderful Duplin Hatteras Red from Carolina. Our own Carolina Hatteras Red. I think that'll work. And some of you know that one. Now you know I like to go over a bit and what's wrong with a couple of fall leaves to finish that look. Now guys, I'm convinced I'm going to have to take you and show you all around. And hey, you new folks, what a time to like, share, and subscribe. Send a friend over. Come join us, all the fun, and our friends here on My Take on Home and Garden. And by the way, check out those stores. 2 stores, one on Etsy called My Take on a Vintage Shop. And our store on Spring for those cool fall shirts, coolies, pants, golf bags, you name it, right here, guys. Check it out. Thanks a lot. And I think we're going to see you in the next unbelievable, amazing, I think we have Thanksgiving table coming, and that is possibly the key to opening the door to our new season. Join us for our Thanksgiving table before we open that new door. Otherwise, nobody sees it. We don't think it's Thanksgiving. See you in 2 days. Be good. Take care now.